Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best single rifle case that you should buy. Let's do started.
Number 1. Plano all-weather rifle shotgun cases.
Plano's redesigned all-weather series of gun cases are made to keep your firearms safe, no matter the conditions outside. Our new all-weather 2 line of rifle cases offer the same rugged dependability you've come to expect from Plano. The continuous dry lock seal provides maximum protection for your gear, keeping elements out. Dual-stage lockable latches make sure the case stays closed, even when subjected to intense bumping and jarring. And a pressure release valve adjusts for changes in pressure due to temperature or altitude. The customizable plug-to-fit foam holds your gun and accessories securely. The larger 52-inch case includes easy glide enclosed wheels to make getting the case from here to there a breeze. So travel to your hunt in confidence. With an all-weather 2 case, your gear will be ready when you arrive.
Number 2. Warfare Tactical Double Carbine Long Rifle Case. Exterior and interior lining constructed with heavy-duty industrial 600D PVC nylon fabric. Double stitching seen everywhere. Holds 2 rifles and 2 pistols with additional pocket compartments. Lockable zipper sliders on both firearm compartments. D-rings, paracord zippers, adjustable and removable backpack straps, and drag handles included. Protected by unquestioned lifetime warranty. We are here to make sure it lasts long. Comfortable shoulder and backpack straps. Number 3. MEJIA Portable Rolling Hard Rifle Case. Portable smooth rolling polyurethane wheels, portable handle design, easy to go with our portable handle design. Beautiful and functional injection molded. Durable use with a Solido. High performance watertight protection hard rifle case. MEJIA cases are kept watertight through the use of a tongue and groove fit. From the plains to the peaks, from the airport to the ship, and from the snow to the desert, it will fully protect your valued rifles and guns. Portable rolling wheels provide smooth mobility. Number 4. Allen Company Allen Gear Fit Pursuit Bruiser Rifle Case. Whitetail season awaits with the Bruiser rifle case from Allen Gear Fit Pursuit line of gun cases. Purpose-driven and designed so you can bring all your deer hunting essentials with you, from scent and calls, to binoculars and more. Mocha with mossy oak breakup country camo. The case fits scoped rifles or shotguns up to 48 inches and features 3 large pockets designed for what you bring to the hunt. The main front pocket has 2 rows of organization straps for all your gear. The rear pocket has an adjustable flap closure so you can fit even large accessories in this pocket. The center pouch has a large opening and a drawstring. Number 5. OSAGE River Tactical Double Rifle Case. Dual storage, rifle case stores 2 rifles or shotguns, padded divider is removable and protects your weapons, hook and loop straps secure them in place. Travel ready, carry the double rifle case with the adjustable backpack straps for long distance hikes to hunting areas, or with a padded handle for short trips to the range. Locking zippers. The compartments designed to store weapons feature locking zippers for added security and safety. All zippers have paracord pulls. Durable design, made with high-quality 600D nylon and reinforced double-stitch seams for heavy loads. This rifle case measures 36 by 12 by 3.5 inches. Sidearm pockets. Two padded pockets offer plenty of room for two handguns and their magazines. The double mesh pockets are ideal for ammo. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.